Yeah, my name is Groote and I'm the EVP within KPN for strategic innovations and partnerships. Digital transformation for manufacturing is very important because we need to boost the production. But most of the times it's very complex machines and not everybody is so skilled that they from minute one can interact with these complex machines. So they need extra help. And that's what I call the human-machine interaction. The other part is also true, because if we set in more robots, more AGVs, etc., they also have to know where is a human so that they don't bump in. So that's also a kind of human-machine interaction that needs to be available in this high complex environment. 5G is very, very important in order to augment that human-machine interaction, Eric. If you really want to present more information, you need the high download and high upload speeds, but also the resilience which is built in that 5G network. Because otherwise, imagine that you lose that connection and that somebody needs to make an adjustment to that complex machine. 5G will enable that. 5G will look after that resilience, that high quality, always connected, so that the digitalization and the automation of all these difficult processes on these difficult machines really take place. KPN, it's very important in order to accommodate that human-machine interaction, that we give partners, customers, a lot of potential to practice, to test, etc. So what we have done is we built up a field lab in the area of Eindhoven, which is the manufacturing center of the Netherlands. ASML, for instance, is coming from Eindhoven. And we set up in a big facility a 5G indoor network with the right robots, with an edge computing environment, so that people can come in, bring their partners, test on that 5G reliable service, and then see what steps can I make in automating this? What steps can I make in digitalizing what I like to digitalize? Because otherwise I can't fulfill the boost in the production that I need in order to become and stay a very profitable business.